Hello everyone, I am Arpit Kumar Sharma and welcome back to Pabbly. So today I am going to tell you how you can add Google Form responses to your team leader CRM automatically. Now suppose you have a form online which you have created by using Google Forms. Now people are filling out those forms there. What will happen? The details from those forms will go to the team leader CRM and will be added as a contact automatically. Now what will happen? This will help you to grow your business. It will also help you to contact the persons who has been filling out these Google Forms. It will also help you to grow your contact reach. Okay. Now to do this automation, we are going to use an integration and automation service, Pabbly Connect, which will help you connect your Google Forms and team leader together. Now Google Forms is the application for building forms online and team leader is the CRM application. So to do this automation, if you want to know how to do it, you have to come with me to the screen. And we are now on our screen. So what you have to do, you have to go to the address bar, type in Pabbly, pabbly.com/connect, and as soon as you will type that and press enter, you will be redirected to this beautiful web page. Now here you have two options. Either you can sign in or you can sign up. Now, if you already have an account, you can sign in. If you are not having an account, you have to go and sign up. Signing up is absolutely free and it will also give you 100 free tasks every month from our side so that you can practice the workflows that we are teaching you. So let's just go for sign in because I already have my account here. And here what I'm going to do, I'm just going to choose Pabbly Connect Access Now. And now you can see I will have a new window here where I will have all my automations. Here you can see these are all my workflows. Now we are going to create a new workflow. So now we are going to give it a name and I am naming it Google Forms to Team Leader. Okay, so I am giving it the name Google Forms to Team Leader, and now what we are going to do, we are just going to click on create. You can name it whatever you want to, it's up to you. Now here you can see we have two windows. First one is trigger and second one is action. Now trigger window is the window where an event is happening at the start of the process, and action window is the window where an event is happening at the end of the process or when the final event is happening. Now trigger window is when this happens and action window is do this. So what is happening here? We are having an entry in our Google Forms. So what will happen? We will just click on a new response received, and here you have the option to connect your Google Forms to your Pabbly Connect account through webhook URL. Now how you are going to do that? You have to follow these instructions here. Now I am not going to read that all. You can read it later on. I'm just going to show you how it's done. So here is one Google form I have made for you all, team leader contact form. I am just going to fill it and I will take the webhook response here in my Pabbly Connect account. But as you can see, we do not have any option of adding our webhook URL here in Google Forms. So what we are going to do, we are going to go to responses and then we are going to click here on Google Sheets. So you can see here we have to make a new Google Sheet. So just create a new Google Sheet here. And as soon as you will do that, you will see that we have this new Google Sheets here with all the fields, first name, last name, email, phone number, street, zip code, city, etc, etc, etc. Now here what we are going to do, here we are going to go to extensions and here we are going to use Pabbly Connect webhooks. Okay. Now how to do that? First, let me fill up this form and then we will see how it's done. So my first name is Arpit, last name is Sharma. Email is arpitsharma@gmail.com. Okay, phone number is 9876545678, a dummy number. Street number 10 because I love the number 10. Zip code is 462001. City is Bhopal. And finally, the country is India. And let me make that I capital. Now submitted, and as soon as you will submit it, you will see that here I have all the details which I need to fill in my Team Leader CRM. Now what I am going to do to connect my Pabbly Connect account to my Google Forms through this Google Sheet, I am going to go to extensions and here I will go to Pabbly Connect webhooks. Now if you do not have Pabbly Connect webhooks with you in your Google Sheets, you will just go to add-ons, click on get add-ons. Go here in search apps and search for Pabbly Connect Webhooks. Now, as soon as you will do that, you will see here we have a new extension, Pabbly Connect Webhooks. You can install it. I have already installed it in my system, so I'm not going to do that again. Now here you can see I have with this information. Now I'll go to extensions and I will first look at my last column, or that is I. So my last data column is I. So I will go here, click on initial setup. And here what you have to do, you have to paste the webhook URL that you will copy from here, Pabbly Connect, and paste it here. And now trigger column. What is the trigger column? So trigger column will be the last data column of your spreadsheet, which is responsible for sending the webhook response to your Pabbly Connect account from your Google Sheets. So here in my case, the last data column is I. So I'm just selecting I and I will click on submit. Now, as soon as I will click on submit, I will go again to extensions, Pabbly Connect Webhooks, initial setup. And now I am going to click on send test. And you can see as soon as I will do that, I have a new response here in my Pabbly Connect account. You can see Arpit Sharma @gmail.com, phone number, street number, zip code, city, country. I have everything. Now I have successfully connected my Pabbly Connect account to my Google Forms, which means my first step of integration is complete. Now what I am going to do for the second step, I am going to select Team Leader CRM here. So I am just going to click on Team Leader. And now what we are doing on Team Leader, we are creating a new contact, but we are creating this contact with the address. So we are going to select create contact with primary address. Now click on connect. Go to add new connection, click on connect with team leader. Now I already have my team leader account opened here. So I will just click on connect and it will directly take the authorization, and it has directly taken the authorization here. When it will ask you for the authorization, you have to give the authorization to team leader, to Pabbly Connect, because without that your automation will not work. And don't worry, your data with Pabbly Connect is absolutely safe, and Pabbly Connect does not take any chances with your data. Okay. Now what I'm going to do here, I'm going to use a technique called mapping, which will let me take the data from this window here and it will let me put the data here in this window. So I'll just go for first name, map in my first name, which is Arpit. Then I will go for last name, map in my last name, which is Sharma. And I am going to do the same with these fields. Mobile, this is my mobile number. Website, I did not have any website in my forms. Street number 10. Zip code is 462001. City is Bhopal. Country is India. And now language, for language you can just type in manually EN, and for remarks you can just put here Google Forms, okay, manually. Now as soon as I will click on save and send test request, you will see a new contact will be generated here. But as you can see, we have an error. Now why is that? Okay, so let me tell you, whenever you are using Team Leader CRM, Team Leader CRM will only take the country's name in capitals, and that too only the first two capital letters. So here you can see we have used the country as India, and these are the short letters. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put capital two letters of my country, IN, and now I am going to click on save and send test request. And as soon as I will do that, you can see a new data type has been created, which is contact. And here in my Team Leader CRM, when I will go to contacts, let me just show you. You can see I have this new contact here, Arpit Sharma. And this is the mobile number 98765456778. And these are the street address and other details as well. Now we are going to do this for another person as well. And now let me tell you one more thing. Whenever you are putting here country, what you will do is you will just specify a line with brackets near your country that please fill the name of your country in capital letters, because Team Leader CRM only takes it in capital letters. So you just have to write the line, please fill in your country name with capital letters, and the person will write it in capital letters. So here what I'm going to do, I'm again going to put a name Swati. Last name is Sharma. Email is swatisharma@gmail.com. Phone number is again a dummy number, which I'm going to use here. Street number Street number 24. Zip code is 462010. City is Indore. And country is India. Now here, what we are going to do, we are going to type in this, India, okay? Now I'll just click on submit. And as soon as I will click on submit, you will see here in team leader, let me go to contacts. Here I have Arpit Sharma. Now as soon as I will refresh it, you will see a new contact will come here by the name Swati Sharma, but it will take some time, 5 to 10 seconds or 20 seconds. So let us just wait and let us just refresh once or twice again so that we can see our contact Swati Sharma here. Now, as you can see, we do not have our contact Swati Sharma here. Now, why is that? So let me tell you the reason behind this. In our Google Sheets, we have swatisharma@gmail.com and all the details. But we did not receive it in our Team Leader CRM. That is because we did not select one event here, which was send on event. So for adding new rows to the Google Sheets and to have those new data in our Team Leader CRM through Pabbly Connect, we need to click on this extension send on event. So let me just click here and let me just delete this entry. Okay. And now let us just do it one more time. And I'm doing this just to show you because you should not make any mistake. And that is why I am showing this, that this is how it's done. Now let us do it. Swati Sharma @gmail.com. Phone number 9876567890. Street is street number 24. Zip code is 462010. City is Indore again. And country is India, which will be in capitals. Okay. Now submit it. And now as you can see, we have a new contact here, Swati Sharma, in our Google Sheets. And as soon as we will click on a refresh here in our team leader, you can see we have this contact Swati Sharma here. Okay. Now you will see that why it was not showing us before and now why it is showing because of this send on event option. Okay. Now, just keep in mind, you have to activate this option to do that. And now you can easily do this automation. And whenever a new person will fill in your Google Forms, his contact will automatically be created in the Team Leader CRM. So this is how it's done, friends. This is how you can connect your Google Forms to your Team Leader CRM. And if you loved this workflow, you can just go into my description box and clone this beautiful workflow into your account. But for that, my friend, you need to have an account, and for that you need to go and sign up. Signing up is absolutely free, and we are also giving you 100 free tasks every month. So what are you waiting for? Go and sign up now. Hasta la vista. So thanks a lot for watching our video. I hope you understood everything. Now, if you want any other events to added in our module, what you can do is you can mail us at admin@pabbly.com. If you have any queries regarding this software, you can just ask your queries at this website, at this link. And if you want to check the prices, you can visit here to this link and check the prices of the software. Now, I just want to tell you that automation is a boon for us and it can change the future, and I will suggest you to take this as quickly as possible, which will ease your task, save your time and save you a lot of efforts. Thank you.